Okay, ladies, so basically I've had questions about the period panties and I'm here to answer a few. Okay, I did a collaboration with them the other day and I used their products, and let me say it's a holy grail for me. Like I said, I've used the regular pads, I've used the period cups, and I've used tampons. I still do use tampons. I have a little leakage with the period cups, so that is a slight fail. I'm not sure if it's the fact that, you know, I did not fix it properly, but like having to, if I have my nails and to pull it out, like that's just not it for me. All right. So when this company HighOh contacted me about their period panties, I decided that yes, this is something that I needed to try. And I am so happy that I tried it because their products is really good. Okay, so it has the paddings from the front all the way to the back, so there's no leakage. Even if there is, or a spill, it does not mess your clothes up because the padding goes all the way back here, as you guys can see. All right, their link, I tagged them in my last video, and all you have to do is go on their page and go on their link tree, and you will see all the information that you need. Okay, so the fact that a lot of people must be like they would not wash this, like why do you have an underwear and not wash it? It's reusable. I feel like if you're in a shower, you take it off, you wash out the excess or whatever, and then when you're done, you can just put it in some warm water with some fabric softener and soap, and then you get to it later and then you put on a fresh one. So it came with 2 in the pack, right? It came with 2 in the pack, and the material is good. If you want to put it in the washer, that is fine, like the washing machine, because it's really thick material. It will not tear, it will not budge. So definitely go ahead and throw it in the washing machine if you don't feel like hand washing, but I'll preferably hand wash mine, and that is what I did. All right, so I'm just gonna take a quick second to put it on and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. I'm really not going to show the back. I can turn slightly sideways to show you guys, and it's kind of sexy because it has the sheer at the side, but the padding covers from the front all the way to the back, so if you have any sort of leakage, it will not show. Okay guys, I'm not trying to get my account banned on TikTok, so I will not turn all the way, but this is what it looks like on, and it's very comfy, extremely comfy. I feel like I have nothing on. If you need more questions, guys, just let me know. Okay, I'm here for you ladies. Save your coins, get you some period panties. It does work, it's amazing. Get you some HighOh panties, ladies. Save you some